Hello guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and in Facebook to stay in touch with me.
Nagaland, and let's start our journey.
So till now I stayed in this Chanapati community housing apartment. So today I'm going to start my journey from here. So let's go. These 4 bikes we came till here. And once I'm staying with these people only. Now finally after some, all should come to my place. Here I met some people. With them I'm going to get a hotel. I don't know they're trying to get. Let's try. Yeah, hotel. He's ready to give a room for me, but he's saying that 800 rupees. But at this time we can't do anything, and I can't ask him any discount or anything because I need to stay for this tonight.
This is the room.
Yeah.
So this is a room. Can we say? I don't know whether he's feeling comfortable or not. Let him see.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Finally, now I'm starting my journey from Kohima, Nagaland state, northeast India. Actually, I think to visit some tourist places in Nagaland, but here this place is very dangerous, and at this COVID time, it will be very dangerous. And yesterday someone are trying to cheat me and loot my money, but unexpectedly, because of my luck or because of some other reason, I saved from them. And later I took a hotel, and complete night I was little tension about these people. And today morning also I found many people like like their looks or everything is not good. I feel it's a little dangerous. So today I'm going to start my journey, and today I'm starting my journey from Kohima, Nagaland to Arunachal Pradesh, northeast India. Actually, today morning also I found some people, right? So now I'm feeling little scary. So I don't want to stay here anymore. Now finally I'm starting my journey from Kohima, Nagaland. Actually yesterday I reached to Kohima. Actually I think to travel for Dimapur, but because of bike is going to give me trouble, so because of that reason I stopped my journey in Kohima. So today morning I'm starting my journey from Kohima, and here I stayed in something Diamond Hotel, Hotel Galaxy. Here I stayed per day, 800 rupees. Room is not good, but we can't do anything, right? At this corona time we can't get any hotel, and I can't even park him to decrease the price. So I took a hotel for 800, and later today I'm going to start journey. Now I'm starting my journey, and in this state I'm not going to visit any type of tourist places because of this COVID-19. I mean, like normally this state is very dangerous because here people are not good. So I don't want to take any type of risk. So I'm starting my journey from Kohima, and I'm not going to visit any type of place. Directly I'm traveling to Arunachal Pradesh. Maybe by evening I may reach there. Now let's go. Starting my journey from Kohima, and now from here it's showing to a 12-hour journey from Kohima to Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Itanagar is state capital for Arunachal Pradesh. So now I'm traveling to that place. Let's go. And Kohima is not a good place because here I found many people who are going to cheat or loot our money. Everywhere it's common, but here many members' looks are very different. So I don't want to stay here, and I don't want to take any type of risk while visiting some tourist places, because not because here one more reason is this is one more tourist place. I don't know what is this tourist place, but I found this one in top. I mean, like I searched it in Google search top 10 tourist places in Nagaland. At that time it's given this tourist place. Actually now I'm going on this way for taking some pictures. Yesterday night this place looks very beautiful because of fog and everything. Yesterday when I reached here it's very foggy, so because of that reason it looked very beautiful then. Now whatever, now we can't do anything, right? So now let's go to Arunachal. I don't want to take any type of risk at this COVID time, so let's go. But many members said me that Dimapur road will be good, but I want some adventurous. So did you see here army people? So like this only all the time they will secure this place. I think finally I crossed Kohima city early morning, right? So there is no traffic, happily, freely, without any traffic jam. I finally crossed Kohima town. From here I don't know how road will be. I think only in city road will be good. If it's bad road also no problem. If it's not rainy then enough, because if it's rain then road will become very worst and we can't even drive our bike. It will be completely very muddy, and some places landslide will be done. You can see from here, right, how road it is. It will be very worst. On this road I need to travel 350 kilometers, 58 kilometers from Nagaland to Arunachal Pradesh. Actually, I think to start early morning. Thank God I did not start. If I used to start then without, I can't see the road, right, early morning. Oh man, I thought I will fall now, but unexpectedly I controlled my bike very well. Oh man, still I don't know how much distance it will be like this. Still I need to travel 280 kilometers. If road is like this also no problem, but if it's like that watery type, we have to face many problems. We can't even maintain 10 kilometer speed also, and sometimes it will be very slippery. Did you see the road, how it is? Same road for 250 kilometers. Wanna ride on like this road? ప్రజెంట్ ఈ రోడ్ అయితే కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో ఉందంట. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 42 కిలోమీటర్లు సేమ్ రోడ్డు. ఇంకా మనం 5 కిలోమీటర్స్ కూడా వెళ్ళలేని పరిస్థితి. ముందు వరకు నేను కనీసం స్పీడ్ మెయింటైన్ చేయగలిగేవాడిని, మినిమం 10 కిలోమీటర్స్ అలాగా. బట్ నౌ ఇట్స్ ఇంపాసిబుల్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ రోడ్ ఇంకా ఎంత స్లిప్పరీ ఉందంటే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేను. నాకు రోడ్డు ఇక్కడ అసలు గ్రిప్ దొరకట్లేదు, టైర్లు మొత్తం స్లిప్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇంకో ఊరు ఉందంట, 20 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ 20 కిలోమీటర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి రోడ్డు కొంచెం పర్లేదు, అంటే దీని మీద ఒక విధంగా బాగానే ఉంటుందంట. అక్కడ వరకు రోడ్డు చాలా వరస్ట్, అంటే వరస్ట్. ఇంక ఇదే రోడ్డు సేమ్ చూసారు కదా, సేమ్ ఇదే రోడ్డు అక్కడ వరకు అలాగే ఉంటుంది. మ్యాన్ అయితే నేనైతే భయపడ్డా ముందు. ఈ వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేసి 5 మినిట్స్ ముందర నా బైక్ స్లిప్ అయింది, చాలాసార్లు స్లిప్ అయింది. బట్ కాకపోతే ఎలాగోలా కాసేసాను. నౌ లెట్స్ గో, వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్, రైట్? Here I stopped somewhere to have some food in the middle of my journey. So now I'm starting my journey. I started at here 9:40 a.m. and now I'm starting at 10:40. So I took 1 hour rest and I had food and I given rest for my bike. And now from 10:40, right? So I'll drive till 12:41 and later again I will give rest for my bike and I'll take some rest. Let's go now. This is the situation of my bike now. You can see here. It's completely muddy. Mud. Some village name I did not remember. Later I will add you. This village name. Now let's go. I don't know how road is going to be. Okay bro, bye. Here. So I met him here. So he's from Nagaland only. So he said road will be okay till some village. I did not forget anything, right? I kept everything, GoPro, camera, money, everything. Yeah, all right, check. I don't know, but I'll hope road should be good. Today this is my first full tank. Let's see. Yesterday I fill up the petrol and later again I'm going to fill my tank today. Let's see. And now I'm in somewhere city, somewhere I don't know the place name. Now after filling my petrol I'll start my journey to Arunachal Pradesh. Definitely I need to cross Assam state. So finally I reached to near Assam state. From here it will take 1.5 hours, 2 hours like that. So here I asked some people that about how much time it will take. They said it will take 2 hours and later I fill up my first full tank in a day. And yesterday I did 1 full tank. Until yesterday whatever I fill up, it came till here. Even so much petrol is there, but still I fill up again. Whatever, now let's go. Here it's going to be a I mean like till now I traveled on NH, right, National Highway. So now from here it's going to become State Highway, ODR 04 Nagaland. So from here it's State Highway. Let's see how State Highway will be. Now it started raining here, but I won't stop just for keeping my camera inside. I stopped here and later now after some time I will start. I mean after some time, not sometime, just in few minutes. Today I found elephants. So here you can see they kept casuation, keep only one vehicle movement at the time. So it's a weak bridge. In Northeast, maximum problem with these bridges only. So సో నేనైతే అస్సాం దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసా. I came near to Assam. So from now I don't know how much time it will take. Now I have to cross Assam, and then still I did not cross Nagaland border. And first I need to cross Nagaland border and then Assam border, and later I will reach to Arunachal Pradesh. And these areas are there, right? These areas are very tribal areas. So now I have to cross these tribal areas and I have to enter Assam. Here I asked some people that how much time it will take from here to Assam border. So they said it will be just 15 to 20 minutes. Means it's very near. Like I think it will be like 10 kilometers or 6 or below 10 kilometers. So it may take 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to become dark. So I will try to get a hotel and I will stay today, and tomorrow morning again I will start my journey to Arunachal. Now let's go. Actually today before evening I think to reach Arunachal, but we plan everything will not be done right. Let's adjust and let's move. Finally now I reached to Nagaland lost town Bandri. So this is a lost town for Nagaland. After this, after 700 meters Assam state will start. This is a lost town. Now I am crossing Nagaland. I am going to enter Assam state. Finally now I crossed Nagaland and going to enter Assam state. Finally now I reached to Merapani. Merapani is a lost town for Nagaland. In just 1 or 2 kilometers I'm going to reach Assam state. Finally now this is Nagaland, and now I entered into Assam state. So I finally entered into Assam state, and here there is no any check post or any we don't need any ILP, and no one are checking corona or anything is nothing is there. Just they are allowing everyone to go inside Assam and coming outside. So we don't need to worry. I wish in the same way Arunachal's place also should be there. And you actually now you are here seeing rain, right? Now it's raining. So before, after crossing, after going some distance, you don't find rain. Yeah, from here there is no rain. You can see, right? So after entering into Assam state, first town is Golaghat. So Golaghat is the first town for Assam state. Now I am traveling to Golaghat. Golaghat is one of the district in Assam state. It's going to become night, right? So I don't want to travel at night time. So now I am traveling to Golaghat. Just 20 kilometers. So today night I am staying in Golaghat. Here you can see this all are tea plants only. Assam tea, right? So here they are growing Assam tea. Here around me everything Assam tea. While seeing like this place, many months are over. You know why? In Manipur and Nepal, in Mizoram, Tripura, I always used to see mountain. But after coming to here, I got a chance to see these plain farms and plain road. Everything is superb. I'm so happy. Finally now I reached to Golaghat. So here I met a person. He said he will show hotels. He is from Orissa. So while seeing number plate, he said you are from Andhra state. I said yeah, I am from Andhra. Later I asked him that where I can get a hotel. Now he is going to take me there, and today night I am going to stay here. So tomorrow morning I am going to start my journey from here. And now my biggest problem is my display is not working for my bike. I don't know what happened. After going to room, I will check what happened to my bike. Now I came to KTM showroom service center. My display is not turning on, so because of that reason we came to servicing center. Here I met a person. This guy took me here, and now I want to check this one, it's working or not. Let's see. My fuse is spoiled, so because of that reason it's not turning on display. So finally they changed the fuse. Now everything is fine. So if I got any time problem, I need to change this third one if I got any display problem. So they have given me extra fuse. If I get any problem, then I need to change. So finally now I'm going to thank you so much bro, everyone. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, bro.
Yeah.
Our pleasure.
Yeah. Bye bro.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to search a hotel. Let's go.